Tired of answering the same questions from potential clients over and over? In this video, I'll show you how to use Fiverr's FAQ section to save time, build trust, and address client concerns before they even ask. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding an FAQ section to your gig is one of the smartest moves you can make. It shows professionalism, anticipates client needs, and can significantly reduce the back and forth messages that slow down your workflow. First, navigate to your gig editor and find the FAQ section. It's usually located after your gig description and packages. Click Add FAQ to start building your question bank. Think about the most common questions you receive from potential clients. These might include: how long will this take? What information do you need from me? Do you offer revisions? What's your delivery process? Start with these fundamental questions. Write clear, concise answers that provide real value. For the question, how long will this take? Don't just say, 3 days. Instead, say, most projects are completed within 3 business days after I receive all necessary materials from you. A crucial pro tip: use FAQs to overcome objections before they happen. If clients often worry about quality, add, how do I ensure quality work? And explain your process. If they're concerned about communication, explain how you'll keep them updated throughout the project. Organize your FAQs logically, with the most important questions at the top. You can always add more questions later as you notice patterns in client inquiries. A well-stocked FAQ section shows you're experienced and understand client concerns. And just like that, you've created a helpful resource that makes life easier for both you and your clients. A comprehensive FAQ section demonstrates professionalism and can actually increase your conversion rate. If this time-saving tip helps you work smarter, please give it a like. What's the most common question you get from clients? Share it in the comments below. To continue optimizing your gig for search visibility, subscribe for our next video on how to include keywords in your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.